Walking down this road, shadows creep so cold. Whispers in the air, secrets everywhere. Streetlights guide my way, dusty thoughts decay. Silence wraps around on this haunted ground. Philosophy road I roam, searching for a place called home. Questions all inside my head, living life that I have fed. Lonely path I tread, footsteps marked by dread. Echoes in the night, fading out of sight. Moonlight paints the sea, darkness in between. Mysteries unfold, stories left untold. Philosophy road I roam, searching for a place called home. Questions all inside my head, living life that I have fed. Lonely path I tread, footsteps marked by dread. Echoes in the night, fading out of sight. Moonlight paints the scene,